Hello guys and welcome. This is Mimi and this is your home decor channel, Mimi's Glam and Designs. Today we have a beautiful transformation and I'll be working on updating and upgrading this breakfast nook. Today I'm partnering with RoomMates Decor and I will be using two of their products to make this transformation happen. The first one is the peel and stick wallpaper. This is a marble looking, and here's how it comes, you guys. I wanted to show it to you first. Then we will be using the stick-on tiles. And the advantage of today's project is that you won't need any glue. All the items that I'll be using on this makeover will be on the description box below. So with nothing else to say, let's begin our transformation. First, we are going to start with the tiles. I just want to have everything ready and cut up before we apply our marble contact paper. The first thing we do is remove the plastic cover on top of this tile. Then we'll go ahead and place it exactly where it's gonna go, and I'm just going to go ahead and measure it. I'm using this paper cutter. I got it on Amazon and I'll go ahead and link that for you guys. And then just a ruler. Remember to always use a piece of carton underneath so it doesn't scratch the surface where you'll be cutting. What we do is repeat the same process with all the bottom tiles. So I already took my measurements, guys, and I know exactly how many I will. After I have one side cut up, I go ahead and make my corner and I place it exactly where they're gonna go on the corner, and I just trace exactly on a straight line. The first thing we want to do is go ahead and apply our bottom, which is the contact paper, the marble contact paper. And so I just open it. I already cleaned the surface with a paper towel and a little bit of water to make sure there is nothing underneath and it's not gonna cause bubbles. I went ahead and cut a piece that it was a little bit bigger in size than the measurement of the countertop. Just if there's any excess of paper, I can just trim it. I'll be using this spatula. This one is from Home Depot, but you can buy the wallpaper smoother, and that one is a little bit easier. I just happen to have this one in hand. I go ahead and start from the corner, making sure it's really tight into the corner, and I go ahead and remove the peel from the back, and I start applying from the corners, like I said, you guys, so tight and so close to the edge. And the technique that I'm using here is removing the back peel and then lifting the paper if there is any excess of bubbles or air inside, and making sure it's just really tight. It will take some time, you guys, but if you have patience, it will all happen beautifully. So just bear with the paper and make sure that there is no air inside, and just smooth until it's totally flat. Once I got to this corner, I made sure I applied it really tight with the spatula into the corner so it kind of went inside of the walls. And then now I went ahead and cut it with my paper cutter. And then once I got to this corner, I went ahead and folded the corners, and that was the easiest way for me to do it. As far as the front, I just went ahead and applied it really tight with my hands because this is a round edge. And I make sure it was, again, really tight, no air inside. And if there was, I just lift the paper and do it all over again. I would like to hear about you guys. Are you guys working on a new project, or you have something in mind that you want to work on? Leave me a comment down below. When I got to this corner, I went ahead and cut it like the same way that we do when you're wrapping a gift, you guys. I mean, that was the easiest way. Just fold all the sides, and then when I got to the edge on the little corner, then I just trimmed that side. Now that we have this first part ready, I go ahead and trim on a smaller size. So I measure to make sure my paper is exactly that size, and then I just repeated the same process basically, you guys. At this point, we have our countertop ready, and I go ahead and lay my tiles just that way I know exactly how I'm going to proceed to glue them. And so let's have fun with the last part of this project. We proceed to remove the sticker on the back, which it comes off easily, and then we go ahead and start applying them from the corner. Just make sure that it's really aligned. And so these tiles had an advantage is that in the middle where every tile meets, it doesn't have to be straight even, so that's a plus, that it was easier to work with. Now when we got to the top, it was basically the same process as the bottom, and I just went ahead and applied each tile, remove the peel, and finish it up. Here's what we had before, you guys. I went ahead and applied tiles on the side, but then I realized that I didn't really love the look, so I went ahead and removed it. And I want to show you how easy it is also if you want to remove these tiles. Watch. Yeah, so we'll be applying this contact paper also on the sides, and I just love the look. So you just want to make sure on the corners that you be patient, because it gets a little bit tricky, and just be precise with your measurements. Here is what we have, you guys. I am so thrilled and happy with the final result. It looks beautiful. What an amazing transformation, you guys. So here's everything styled, and I love how bright it is this side of the kitchen, this eating kitchen. I really love it. When it came down to decorating, I wanted to use elements that feels fresh and that could go all year long. And now let's talk about this marble. I mean, it is so real looking, you guys, that I have a couple of friends come over and they all thought that it was real marble. Can you guys believe that? It is just beautiful. And the fact that this project was so easy to put together, it was the best part of it. And the tiles are just very beautiful as well. Once again, I want to give a big thanks to RoomMates Decor for this amazing product. You guys, they have so many varieties that you guys will be shocked, so go ahead and check them up. Their information is in the description box below, and also links to these specific products. I also wanted to show you guys, I put in these LED lights underneath the cabinets, which I'll go ahead and link for you guys. So they turn on a switch, and here's how it looks like when the lights are off, and here's how it looks like with the lights on. I mean, it gives a lot of light and brightness. The items that you see here, the tray, the coffee cups, they're all on a home decor haul that I did a while ago. I will go ahead and that one will pop up right here on this right side of the screen, so make sure to check that up once this video is up. And the flowers, you guys have seen it before. The tulips are from Amazon as well, and Walmart, as well as the roses. The roses are so real looking. I haven't shown you guys. They are my favorite, like really my favorite. Now when it comes down to the bar stools, they are from a company called BC Corp, which I'll go ahead and link for you too. This gorgeous throw, it is from Home Goods, and it was a score because it was only $30. Yes, believe it, $30. The cake stand, it is from Home Goods too, and it's one of my favorite scores at Home Goods. I absolutely love it. I went ahead and added some mini muffins just for my guests or my family. The pineapple is from Walmart, and the candle is from Antique Candle. They are amazing, and they just launched their fall collection, so make sure to check them up on the description box below. All the items on the right side corner are also on this whole video, that it will pop on the right side of the screen and at the end of this video. This is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoy it, and if you did, leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not part of my YouTube family, I would love to have you here, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell button to get notified every time I upload a video. And I will also love to have you on my Instagram at Mimi's Designs at Totally Glam Decor. For now, this is it. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.